Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. We've got a Porsche Cayenne that we've done the extra steering fault problems all fixed now. Today I'm just going to show you, because I took the carpet up and have a look. Last time it was all wet, so we had to take the extra trims off to actually double check the actual the roof drain to make sure it's not blocked. And this side here is blocked, so we have to unblock it, and the other side is blocked as well. So you can see the water there. The water's not even going down, so it's blocked. This one's blocked. So we might as well remove the trim on that side there and unblock both drains and the plenum drain at the actual engine bay. We're going to take that one off as well. Right, for now, just a quick show to show you guys what we're doing. And after that, we're going to clean the car and double check everything again at the car wash before we put the trim on. That's after we do that, we're gonna seal the actual firewall, which is here. There's your firewall there. We're gonna seal that, and we're gonna check the AC, make sure it's not blocked as well, and put the new wiring harness on this one. It'll make it look better. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.